They've already filled their gap, so nothing to look at there. Starbucks, for some reason, was down 2%. Still is. Looking to fight back. I didn't see the news on that, quite frankly. Let's see if we can pull why that is happening. That's already... We're not going to act on that for another few minutes. Why is Starbucks slow growth reports? Sinks after downbeat profit outlook. Meaningfully below previous outlook. So it looks like they issued guidance here, Starbucks. All right, here, let's see, we may want to take a look at RL. We may just want to get out of that thing, but we'll see here. And those are the only two to the downside. Upside, we should have some gaps here. We do. We're looking at Shop is on an inside bar. They are not going to trigger until 396.73.